In front of me is OPPO Find X8, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then tap on those three dots at the top. Select split screen and click on a second app. Sorry, misclick. As you can see now, I can use both of my apps at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and hit home button, or swipe both in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!